Today we're having a look at a product, the Travel Buddy, which most of you are probably familiar with, but what you're not probably familiar with is Somerville Metal Works that produce a whole lot of range of products for the Travel Buddy that's going to make your life a lot easier and make cooking a lot easier. We've got Trevor here who's going to give us a bit of a run through some of these products.
Well, I have to stop making a habit of this, mate.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me on your channel once again. And yeah, we're at Dirt Road 4x4. I said to Naz something unique, and not everybody knows that everyone's got a Travel Buddy and love it. Australian made, up in Bendigo. John developed it up there, and it's such a really cool thing. I've had Travel Buddy for many years, and I've done lamb roasts, all sorts of stuff in my Travel Buddy. But really good Australian made product. But Rory over at Somerville Metal Works, SMV, I should say, he makes heaps of really cool accessories. Now, you guys want to do roasts, all that sort of stuff. Rory's developed shallow pans for the original Travel Buddy, but we've also got them for the big one, and of course deeper pans as well. So I had some folks here before, five of them, they want the bigger Travel Buddy, the marine, and of course they'll go the deeper trays for those nice big roasts. The other thing that Rory has developed is lots of trivets to accessorise the trays. He also does lots of different mounts, so it's worth having a look at their website because we sell all their gear, but there's heaps and heaps of Travel Buddy mounts for vehicles. So this one here I've got on my K-on shelf, and my Travel Buddy goes between the two mounts, so it sits up under the shelf. But they've got all types of barrier mounts, all sorts of different mounts for your Travel Buddy, and there's a fly. G'day. So with our little independent four-wheel drive shop here, we've tried to be quite unique because we're not influenced by any of the big four-wheel drive guys. The products we have in here, I call this my big man cave, because everything I have in my shop is product that I'd be happy to use myself, happy to say, Naz, give this a try. So I found Somerville Metal Works recently and made contact with Rory, and his service has been good. But the product's awesome. Like, have a look at these welds. Like, it's spectacular.
We'll have a bit of a closer look at that, but definitely quality. And my father-in-law's a welder too, so I could show him that and he'd be pretty impressed. It's the first thing he looks at, obviously. And you know, over time, like, we're throwing these things around in the car, they're getting beaten around a lot. Like half these tracks that you've seen me and other people go on, they need to be able to hold up. They need to be able to last. And the Travel Buddy and the equipment that you know, comes here with it from Somerville Metal Works is definitely equipment that's going to last you. Well, that's not going anywhere. No,
it's good gear. It's good gear. I love my Travel Buddy. Everyone knows I'm pretty passionate about it. They are the original. They're developed here in Bendigo in Victoria. Good thing.
Beautiful. So there you go, guys. Just another product. If you, like I said, if you want to have a look at any of the other products Dirt Road 4x4 has, let us know. Until then, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you again for the next video. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for having me, mate.